Hey, hi, hello, this is Saravana from A4 Analytics, and today we're going to see about how to navigate to your home page from any page of your Power BI report using a very simple technique. And what you're seeing right now is an Power BI report which is built for real estate client, so in particularly in investment department. So what we're trying to achieve is navigate your home page from any page of your report. So right now in this page we have an icon, a home icon, so which we got it from we googled it and got it from some resources. So this is the different images we got. So we just slightly formatted it to match to our Power BI report theme and getting back to the report. And so this is our home page. So this is the home page where you see the different costs: commercial real estate, residential real estate, industrial real estate, the different reports and other contents here. And what you're trying to achieve is when the user click this button, it needs to go back to the home page. I hold the control button and make a click on it, and it's navigating. Yeah, it's navigating to your home page. How we achieve this? It's a very simple technique. So to achieve this we need a few things. First one is an image. We already have, we got it from we can download it from any Google resources. And another important thing is a bookmark. So bookmark is a invaluable feature the Power BI has offering to achieve different capabilities in the Power BI reports. So to enable the Power BI, go to the view, hit the bookmarks. We have a list of bookmarks, and I'm going to insert the image. We want to insert the image. Yeah, we got the image here. So let's pretend we have some report over here. So let's say we have a button at the top right corner somewhere else, and we need to create an bookmark for our home page itself. So this is our home page. Create a bookmark. So we're gonna name it something else. Bookmark for home page test. And this home icon will have a different capabilities. So one of our capabilities and the formatting is the action. So we need to turn on the action, and we need to specify the bookmark here, and we need to select the bookmark we have created, bookmark for homepage test. And always is good to give some tooltip to the users will understand it. I'm going to show click here to go back to home page. Okay, So we are in the Power BI desktop, so we have to left click it along with the control. When I click it, it automatically go back to our home page, and this is what we try to achieve. So using this capability, we can try to achieve different things. So using bookmarks, we can do switching visualizations from one chart to another chart. We can show and hide the filter slices. We can show and hide the legends, and we have posted these videos in the YouTube, and that's it. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you are a new user to this YouTube channel, don't forget to give a subscribe. You'll be the first person to get notified if we posted new videos in Power BI or Tableau or any machine learning. See you on next video. See you, bye.